Study of epidermal tissue system. The different types of the tissues are present in the plant. And in the plant, epidermal, mechanical, secretory tissues, vascular tissues, which are important tissues, are found. Epidermal tissue system consists the epidermis, stomata, and epidermal outgrowths. Epidermis, it is found outermost layer of the plant body. Each and every plant, the epidermis is present. Epidermis consists the barrel-shaped, compactly arranged cells. The cells are thin-walled, living one with the dense cytoplasm, vacuole, and the nucleus are present. And towards the outer side, it consists of the thin nucleus. This practical is for only identification. If this type of epidermis is kept identification for slides, known as the unicellular epidermis or epidermal, single epidermis. It is found all types of the plants. Second slide, the given slide is from epidermal tissue system. It is a multiple epidermis or multi-layered epidermis. Instead of forming single layer of epidermis, it forms the more than 2 to 3 layers compactly arranged colorless tissues. That is known as a multi-layered epidermis. These multi-layered epidermis, these are generally found in the neuropathic plant body. To reduce the water loss or to check the water loss, and it does not allow heat and cold from the outside to inner side, and therefore it protects from this side. And therefore vaxi-coating cellular deposition are present on this or puteinization present on this outer side to the plant body. Example is the case of Nerenggia. The another side, that is the given specimen, is the sunken stomata. The stomata generally absorbed in neuropathic plants toward the lower surface of the epidermis. The stomata, they are having the cavity, inner side in cavity, and stomata are present. The stomata are covered by means of the stomatal hairs. The stomata are sunk inside the cavity. Therefore, it is helpful to the check water loss. Generally, it is present in the lower surface in a neuropathic plant. That is the case of Nerenggia. Then stomata. The stomata, the epidermis is ruptured at some places forming the stomata. In a dicot plant, stomata is a kidney-shaped or bean-shaped. This kidney-shaped or bean-shaped stomata are specialized cells covered by means of the subsidiary cells, and they are present in the epidermal hairs. That is known as a dicot stomata. Same types, but stomata are double-shaped in a monopod stomata. Yeah. The epidermal outgrowths. Epidermal, it is enucleate, unbranched, the hair. It at the base it comes from the calcified substance and silicified substance is the tip, pointed head. And when it comes in a contact with the adama, then it swells, opens and punch. It gives the glands. Therefore, an irritation takes place. That is known as the glandular head. Here, the epidermal outgrowth is curved like. That is the spines, which is known as it found epidermal in for the gingivitis. This is about the epidermal tissue system. Bas.